Welcome back, guys. So today I'll be making a video on how to take a starter part on a Duromax 440. I haven't seen many videos on messing with starters. I'm taking it off because I was arcing it and I want to clean it up, and I might paint the housing of a starter, make it stand out a little. But this basically is unbolted right now. This is motor's mounted on a Bowen's G10 garden tractor. Done off. Okay, there's 3 Phillips screws here. So go ahead and unscrew those. Looks to be a 8mm too. Okay, so go ahead and take starter apart. So you're winding, and this is a housing. This is what we're getting to. Okay, so here it is. Let's go around and sand it. Sand. Gonna take electrical tape. At the top there. And a razor blade, cut that even. Now, this is a little motor, but on a bigger motor. I don't know if this would last. So, okay. Well, there it is right there. That's how you make your, if not, you could paint it, but I'm just going to put electrical tape because there is some divots there, but that looks a heck of a lot better. We're going to go back over to the tractor, and we're going to throw this on. So, I'll meet you guys over there. Okay. Well, here's your winding and gear for a starter. Not these springs that go right here. Gotta make sure those are on. It's probably void the warranty on this engine, but it ain't like Duromax's help. Okay, there's a fourth spring. And I've lost it. But basically, from there, this goes on. You can go ahead and do this. You put that. Okay. So now we're going on a hunt to find that lost spring. Or else I'm gonna have to go take my other Duromax. There it is. Found it. Starters are very simple. Yes. People overthink these things, you know? What I see a lot. You can turn it on its side like that to help you. Because these springs can be a real pain sometimes. I found that it's a little bit easier. We take the springs out. Take the springs out. Go ahead and I don't think that's supposed to do. I think it's supposed to do that. But I could be wrong. Those are what your starter gets a signal on. One of the very first things you learn as a mechanic is how to rebuild a starter. Should've just took and damn front off. Got no dang starter. Let's see. I mean, I'll try that, but I thought the could be wrong. Haven't worked on a small of a starter in a while. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. Let's see. like crap like that. And it's yeah, that's something you basically ought to see about. Taking this other boot off. Yeah, see, that's a good thing this comes apart because Phillips screw right here. Because you just can't get that with the pressure pulling on it like that. There's that cable. Okay, now this part should be free. Okay. Now that that part's free, we'll be able to put it back in. No, some smart is gonna be, well, I thought you knew how to rebuild a starter. I do, it's just I don't have enough hands. We got spring tension here. I mean, these springs. Okay, that one's done. That one is done. Okay, that one is done. Another spring. Work on another one. We'll basically continue. I really, I hate messing with springs. Especially in little spaces like this that are so dang tiny. You can't even get a dang tool in there. See, and that one just frickin' fling out. So, on today's episode of Fixing a Starter, what a shit show this has turned into. I don't know. Maybe if I can compress the spring, I've done that on other starters. I would compress the spring and zip tie, but there's no way you're getting a zip tie on that little thing. I mean, maybe I could, hot glue, but then the residue from hot glue, so, is in there, so. And can I use this to my advantage at all? No, not really. Not really. I'd like to know how they do this at factory. Probably, I'm not racist, but they're probably doing this over in China. A bunch of little midget kids. Kind of hard for an American over here to get his damn fingers in here to put the all. I got 4 of these springs I got to hold. I don't think this. Freaking bull crap. Plain as bull crap. Bull crap. What a shit show. What a shit show. And this is that's your gear that has a one-way bearing on it that spins and engages, and there's your flywheel right there. And if I took this cover off right here, on that cover, could have got this, but I couldn't have, see about this on that back. Yeah. I couldn't have, got this that good if it was still on there, but just put it back on there, and, looking good. So. But, go ahead and check the oil on the unit. I haven't broken this thing in yet. I haven't. Oil's good. I'll drive this thing light, hard. I'll drive it all around, and then, after it's broken in pretty good, I'll go ahead and do the oil change on it. But, I basically got to get a little spacer to go to here. I was thinking use PVC pipe, but that didn't work. I want to get one with the keyway. This is 1/4 keyway. And then, I don't need to really use hex nuts or torque nuts that are here to lock these in place. But, remove the governor. I gotta figure something out here. Cause that ain't working. Could use some construction adhesive, but I don't know. But, or I might have to weld that hole shut. Or JB Weld or something like that. But that's what's going on with the ball ends. So now I got parts for these motors, and I got a couple starters laying around. Because I mean these are very popular motors. I'll be rebuilding a Honda GX 270 and 340. Those are Honda products. This is, I wouldn't necessarily call it aftermarket because Duromax is kind of almost a name brand like Honda, but it's not Honda. But please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you all hit that subscribe button for me and help me out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.